Hello everyone, it's me, Luthfia. So in the previous video, we have learned about audiolingual method. So today we are going to learn about the silent way. So we will learn about the definition of silent way, the principles of silent way, and typical techniques associated with silent way. Let's start with the definition of silent way. So silent way is a teaching method in which the teacher should be silent as much as possible in the classroom, and the students or the learners should be encouraged to produce as much language as possible. So silent way has a purpose to give space for the students to speak and practice more the target language. There are some principles of silent way method. The first principle is teaching should be subordinated to learning. Subordinate learning means the teacher bases his or her lesson on what the students are learning at the moment, not on what the teacher wants to teach the students. The second principle, it is the student who should be practicing the language, not the teacher. So in the teaching and learning process, the teacher tends to be silent. He or she only use nonverbal gesture or use available tools in the classroom to help the student to produce the language. The third principle is errors are important and necessary to learning. When the student learn about the target language, of course, they will make errors. So the student's errors is a part of learning. When the student make errors, it will create a new way of thinking. And when the students make error, we as a teacher should encourage them to do self-correction. Okay, after we learning about the theoretical background of silent way method, now we are going to learn about some techniques that we can use in the classroom when we are using silent way method. The first is rods. So rods can be in the form of blocks or cards. That's very useful of teaching the student on how to perform the action, give instruction, make requests, or for example, we can use rods to compare size or to demonstrate preposition. The second technique that we can use in the classroom is sound color chart. So sound color chart contains set blocks of colors, and in each block contain each sound of the target language. So the teacher could use sound color chart to practice the target language pronunciation. The third technique that we can apply in the classroom is peer correction. So as I said before that in the classroom, the students may make error. When the students make error, so the teacher is not the first one who will correct the student's error. So the student's friends will help the student to correct their error. So the teacher just monitor the student and give help to the student when it necessary. So that is about the silent way method. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can write your question in the comment section below, and see you in the next meeting. Goodbye.